On Tuesday, July 17, 2007, the long-awaited dream of NBA star Dikembe Mutombo became a reality. It was the dedication ceremony for the new Biamba Marie Mutombo Hospital and Research Center in the capital city of Kinshasa, where he was born. Thousands of jubilant Congolese citizens lined the congested streets of Kinshasa, awaiting the arrival of their hometown hero. The Congo's president, Joseph Kabila, attended the ceremony. Guests from around the world converged on the pristine hospital grounds to commemorate the opening of Phase 1 of the new hospital. Opening remarks and speeches by local government officials as well as hospital representatives were broadcast on national television throughout the country. Mutombo was clearly moved by the outpouring of support as he spoke in French to an enthusiastic crowd of well-wishers and supporters.
Cela me fait penser à notre mère chère, chérie, Biamba Marie Mutombo, qui par sa vie a été un exemple pour nous. La mort nous l'a enlevé très tôt et elle n'a pas pu voir de ses yeux l'achèvement de ses rêves. Mais nous savons que du ciel, elle sourit et se réjouit avec nous. L'éducation était très importante pour elle. Elle a encouragé ses enfants à déployer tous leurs efforts pour devenir des membres productifs de leur communauté. Elle voudrait que nous fassions tout de nos mieux pour servir les autres. Elle nous a aussi inculqué la certitude que Dieu nous bénira tous.
The ceremonial ribbon was cut and Mutombo led the official tour of the new hospital. President Kabila was the first to observe the hospital's new electronic health record system, which uses biometric identification, authentication, and smart card technology. The Biamba Marie Mutombo Hospital, named in memory of Mutombo's beloved mother, is the first hospital of its kind to be built in the Democratic Republic of the Congo in almost 40 years. General health care in the Congo is in great need of improvement. The new hospital will provide much-needed additional health services for Kinshasa as well as state-of-the-art medical care. It will promote research and will train health professionals in the latest techniques and innovations. In 2008, Phase 2 of the hospital will provide even more. Friends and supporters traveled to the Congo to celebrate the opening of the new hospital. Longtime NBA teammate and friend Juan Howard and WNBA star Nikki McRae joined Mutombo and participated in the several basketball clinics for Kinshasa's youth. The new hospital is located in the commune of Masina, one of the most densely populated and impoverished quadrants of the city. After the dedication ceremony, a multitude of spectators lined the streets of both sides and cheered loudly as Mutombo's vehicle drove past. They were celebrating the new hospital and honoring Dikembe and the work of Dikembe Mutombo Foundation. One of the goals of Dikembe Mutombo Foundation is to promote health policy, primary prevention, health research, and increase access to health services and health education for the people in Kinshasa. We believe that people can improve their economic lives when their level of health improves. Improving health, education, and quality of life.